Interesting and unique Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose facts. Netaji refused to obey the prohibition to carry his umbrella while meeting Governor General at his office in Kolkata. It was then a traditional dignity to carry the umbrella for every Bengali gentleman. When the Governor General objected to this, asking him to explain his behavior, he dared to put the umbrella around his neck of British Governor General and warned him to mind his behavior. According to the driver, Netaji was not killed in a plane crash. He said he did not die in air crash. The plane did not carry him but instead had on board Captain Ikram Lal Singh, a Bengali soldier, and a woman, all AHF members, beside 2 or 3 Japanese, Nizamuddin said. The vendor car used by leader of the Indian National Army Subhash Chandra Bose to escape from house arrest in 1941 in the eastern Indian city of Kolkata on the September 30, 2003. Emily Schenkel, an Austrian origin woman, was secretly married to Bose. Netaji escaped to Afghanistan. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to go to East Asia and form an army which he called Azad Hind Fauj. However, it was not easy since Netaji Bose was under house arrest at his 38/2 Elgin Road residence in Kolkata. On the wee hours of January 17, 1947, Netaji in a Pathan makeover escaped from the help of his nephew Sisir Kumar Bose, who drove him to the border in their German Vendor car, from where Netaji's endless journey began. Netaji Bose fled to Afghanistan and Europe. Eventually, it resulted into the birth of Azad Hind Fauj. He could have had a rewarding career in civil services but gave it up to win India's freedom. And now, Netaji's alleged last words to the world.
दलादली, बहस मुबाहस और विभिन्न मतभेदों को बुलाकर विभिन्न दिशाओं में जितनी सारी ताकत जितना शीघ्र कांग्रेस के साथ हम केंद्रित कर सकेंगे उतना ही जल्द हम आजादी हासिल कर सकेंगे। हमारे सामने इस वक्त सबसे बड़ी समस्या संघ शासन विधान को हमेशा के लिए दफना देने की है।